Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I am going to react to the 14th Doctor's Sonic screwdriver reveal. I just literally spotted it. So before I get into the video, please subscribe, press the bell for any future videos, and comment. Let me know what you think of this screwdriver. Oh no, I'm excited now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. I love that. New Sonic is right. Oh my god. This is actually really awesome. Oh my god. It's so awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm panicking. That was... Wow. That Sonic Screwdriver looks epic. Please get to the video if you haven't seen it yet. But what? That looks like a really cool screwdriver. But yeah, please look out for that. It's epic. Have a lovely day, guys.